5 things you need to quit right now. First, living in the past. There is a difference between thinking about the past and living in it. Sometimes we live in the past because it's familiar, we know what happened. There are no surprises. When the past was really good, you can live there because just thinking back on it gives you feeling of comfort and happiness. Living in the past is a problem because it robs you of the opportunity to enjoy the present. 2. Overthinking. Overthinking is the art of creating new problems. Overthinking ruins you, it ruins the situation. It twists the things around you, it makes you worry. It just makes everything worse than it actually is. Stop overthinking, you can't control everything. Overthinking is the biggest cause of unhappiness, so let it be. 3. Fear of changing. Change can be scary, whether it's change that just happens to you or a change you need to make yourself. But in order to move forward, we need to embrace changes. By learning how to deal with change, you'll start to realize that change is something you can handle and will actually benefit you. 4. Putting yourself down. Don't put yourself down by comparing with others. You are unique in your own way, you are the one and no one in the entire universe. Be proud for being yourself, and you are different from everyone. Stop putting yourself down, start putting yourself up. 5. Trying to please everyone. Don't go through life trying to please everyone. If you try to keep every person happy, the one person that won't be happy is you. No matter how hard you try, you can never please anyone. Follow the heart and make the most of every day. Be original and unique.